Noisy refrigerator complaint. Look like we got an evaporator fan going bad. Pretty simple to change, actually. Show you how it's done. You can unplug it, or I'm gonna just turn it off here. So that kills the motor. I should turn it off, honestly, but I'm not, because it'll be alright. First, you got two little screws down here. Both of them take a 1/4 inch. Use a driver. I don't use my impact on plastic for obvious reasons. Well, let me stop. I don't want to turn nothing up. Two screws, two white screws on the outside. This right here comes right up. You can see this slotted on both sides. Pull him up like that. Come right out. You can see that. I normally set things right on top as long as there's nothing up there. Then we got two more screws, 1/4 inch nut driver, get them as well. Actually, I normally pull this fan blade out right here. It should pull right out, just like that. And I'll set it right here. 10 screws. Two silver screws, right? It should release my panel. Pull that out the way. Now, got our evaporator fan. It's a little wobbly. Got a little play in it. This is my connection here, actually. So I'm going to disconnect here. Can you see that? Yeah. I'm going to disconnect here. Then I got two more screws right here on each side. One of them is grounded. Those right there require 5/16. That driver head. Let's loosen him just a crack. Let's loosen him all the way. Pull this one out. Put your other hand there, because you don't want to be fishing for screws inside of a refrigerator. I ain't gonna say I ain't done it before, but let's loosen this one a little bit more. You know what, actually, let's just pull this all the way out. That way I can show how that sits in there. Thought I was gonna drop it, didn't you? Nope. I'm gonna set them two. I just do this just so I keep track of stuff. I'm gonna set those two right by the evaporator fan, telling me that those go right with the fan. It's just how I do things to keep it all in order. And I'm gonna take my old fan out. And there go my new fan. If you notice this little piece in the back right here. Sits right here in this red grommet right there. That's his home. It stays mounted right there. And the front part of this plate front part sits right through here, flush, just like such. Told you it was simple. So what I do is I get everything all doctored already. I got it. I got my evaporator fan in place already. I even got my screw ready to go. Then I'm going to take my nut driver and have him already in there. And I'm ready to place the back part right where it goes. And we in there. Oop, gotta reverse that. It's a ratchet driver. It helps me go both ways. And I ain't gotta make full turns if I don't need to. It's kind of resourceful. Easy with that one. I got my screw already ready to go. My ground. Put the screw on my ground first. And I'm gonna hold it by the wire. It's already in the right spot. We just talk about this. Where did he go? Where did he go? Where did he go? The reason I say you gotta be careful, because if that screw falls in there, then we're gonna be taking some stuff apart. But we don't want to do that. So, hold on a second. Got him. Alright. I told y'all what's going on. Let me focus for a minute. Push him back a little bit. And I normally test it out. So we're gonna come back down here. Turn this on. Hear everything click on, and I normally tap right here. Alright. And I'm gonna turn them back off just to finish it up. Alright. Back plate in place. If you've been working on big jobs all day, this is where I normally wipe this panel down, because the dirty handprint's gonna be on there. It's all over this. But I'm good today. It's been more of a mental day. Problem solving. I don't mind it. Tighten them down. Put your fan on here. I normally, it slides right back on there. I normally spin it just to make sure we all clear before I actually turn it back on. actually turn it back on again. I could wait, but I don't know, I just like cold air. And then they put the plate back on while it's on. Call me weird. Like I said, you all slide it on both sides. Slide down. Hole should made up. Put your white screws back in there. Oh, it's a lot quieter too, isn't it? And that is how we solve a noisy refrigerator complaint. Deuces.